Welcome to the post-market video. My name is Des Woodruff, analyst and mentor here at Grok Trade. It is Thursday, October 21st, 2010, and wow, man, the markets, we're big time in earnings season, and what a crazy ride we had today. Anyway, check this out. Dow ended in positive territory by a fraction, less than that on the S&P and even less than that on the NASDAQ. And I'm not getting data at this very moment on the Russells. Something tells me that's in the negative. I'm just guessing. But banks, big time down, 0.7% in the red. But gang, try to get your head wrapped around this. The volatility index, the VIX, the fear indicator, is actually down 2.6%. Wow. I thought if anything, this sort of topsy-turvy, this turbulent, choppy day, this huge doji that we received here would have just, fear should have shot through the roof. Nope, actually went down. Gold took it on the chin too. Look at this, 1.4% in the red. We do have transportation in the red, so it takes away a little bit here of what we're seeing in the Dow. All right, so there's some news out there. Fannie and Freddie may need another $215 billion. Can you believe it? McDonald's come out with earnings, blowing away estimates. And well, there's just a lot of news out there. Earnings season galore. But check this out. We have this big rising wedge. We drop, we pop, and today we're all over the place. But zoom in and take a look at this and see what we can gather from the technical analysis. All right, so we opened the day up because the US dollar weakened overnight. We rallied really strong, blowing through a lot of resistance. Tag that upper trend line that we had up here forever, retraced. End of the day, we are way down. At the tail end of the trading session, we rally back to break even. We have what's called a long-tailed doji. That's a doji where the open and close is similar with a long upper shadow and a long lower shadow, and their symmetry and size. So that's what we have right there. Finding support right around this 1170 mark or the 11 EMA. That's my pink line right here. But we maintain this high level area. There is a line I want to draw here. You can see these bodies right here. I'm going to put a line at 1178.5. Resistance, 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 and resistance. Let's be watching that line also. Tomorrow should be a pretty decent day to see what next week may have in store for us, because let's just see, this would be really interesting what tomorrow will bring. Now, the bulls still have the steering wheel. You can see it made a higher high and a higher low. We remain above the 20-day moving average. Even though it's a doji, we are in what I am considering a high base formation or consolidation. So I ignore reversal patterns of any kind inside consolidations. They don't mean anything to me as a trader. So anyway, that's it. That's where we're at. If you'd be so kind, share us with a friend. Let the world know about the technical analysis and the savvy education that you get right here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. DBA Grok Trade. Take care and safe trading to you.